inside the box.
Inside the box, there's no charger. No charger, really? USB-C, have your power button, volume controls. This one is for maybe SIM card. Yeah, on the side, on the top. We have to explore that.
Stickers.
Yeah, nice, nice
Camera.
finish.
Wow.
Then wrong button. You have good weight. Feel solid. I think the backside is made of glass. I think it's glass.
Glass.
Yeah, glass. Non-gloss type of glass. And the sides are, I think it's aluminum.
The camera.
You really have
the
good
back.
weight. Yeah, you have a camera system. 3 cameras, I think. Telephoto, panoramic. Another one I don't know. And Charlie, it has an infrared sensor for taking temperature measurements.
All right.
We have a temperature scanner. It's a bit weird, but I saw in other blogs it works. Set up using another device. Oh, I have to set this up, Charlie.